Are you a Nigerian who has been struggling to understand how to apply for a France visit visa? Has your application been refused in the past, or are you just confused by all the conflicting information online? Then, this video is for you. My name is Betty, Immigration Advisor for Law and Visas. Many Nigerians find the process overwhelming, from booking the right appointment to submitting the correct documents. And let's face it, making one small mistake can cost you your visa and your travel plans. In this video, we'll break it down for you. You want to visit France for a holiday, a family event, or even just a quick getaway, but the visa process feels stressful, especially when you don't know what's expected. Here's the good news. Applying for a France visit visa from Nigeria is doable, and it starts with knowing the right steps. Let's go through what you need. Start by identifying your purpose of travel. This could be tourism, visiting friends or family, or attending an event. Be clear and consistent in your documents. Gather your documents. You'll typically need your international passport valid for at least 3 months after your intended return date, a completed Schengen visa application form, a passport photograph with specific size and background requirements, proof of accommodation like hotel booking or invitation letter, proof of sufficient funds, travel insurance that covers at least 30,000 euros, round-trip flight reservation, and evidence of ties to Nigeria, like a job letter, California C documents if self-employed, or family obligations. Create an account on France Visas on the government website, fill in your visa form, and generate your application summary. Book an appointment through TLScontact, the official visa processing center in Nigeria. Pay the visa fee at the center and submit your biometrics. Wait for processing, which usually takes about 15 working days, although it can vary. Each of these steps requires accuracy and timing. Many people get rejected for missing just one document or giving inconsistent information. Let's talk about one big mistake we often see: proof of funds. You must show a clear and recent bank statement with regular activity, not a last-minute deposit of bulk funds. Visa officers are trained to spot irregularities. Another issue is a poorly written invitation letters. If someone is inviting you from France, their letter should match their documents, residence permit, passports, utility bills, and state your relationship clearly. Lastly, incomplete travel history. If you have previously traveled and returned within your visa duration, it boosts your application. But if this is your first time, you need to show even stronger ties to Nigeria. Here's a tip. Always tailor your application to the purpose of your trip. Don't just submit generic documents. If you are attending a wedding, include the invitation, proof of relationship, and relevant event details. And if you're unsure, don't guess. That's where immigration professionals like us come in. At Law and Visas, we've helped hundreds of Nigerians successfully apply for their France visit visas. And because we're a law firm, not agents, our legal insight gives your application the strength it needs to stand out. Whether you're applying for the first time or reapplying after a refusal, our team works with you one-on-one to give you the best shot at success. If this video sounds like your current situation, don't wait until you get another refusal letter. Follow Law and Visas for more expert tips. Like and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Reach out if this situation sounds familiar. We're here to guide you. Save, share, or drop your questions in the comments. Your journey to France doesn't have to be stressful. Let Law and Visas help you get there with clarity, confidence, and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.